All right, guys. So in this part of the course, I'm cutting straight to the chase because we're talking about money. And when we're talking about money and getting clients for your credit repair business, there's no fluff. It's just real talk on what actually worked for me. So here's the deal. When you're starting out, you need clients, but nobody knows who you are yet. So my solution was simple. I turned to friends and family and I did their credit repair for free. But why? Because it's the fastest ticket to gaining experience and building credibility. I actually set myself a goal, which was to help 15 people in 30 days. And I know that's a lot, but it's about getting your hands dirty and showing what you can do, because this isn't just about practice. It's about proving your worth, which leads me to my next point, because what you got to do is this. You got to get your clients set up on Credit Karma or any of those credit monitoring services, because when you start fixing their credit, they're going to start seeing real-time updates, sometimes in as little as 3 to 5 days. And this is where they start believing in your service. So after they see results, and they will, that's when you make your move. You've shown your value. Now it's time to present your offer. And trust me, by this point, they're more than ready to start paying for your service. Okay. So that's it. No magic tricks, just a solid strategy and hard work. Get out there, use your network, and start building your client base, because you got this.